Hey everyone, my name is Lauren Gaw, and you are watching another episode of Life Above the Clouds, your guide to elevated eating with a new cannabis recipe every week. Today we are making cannabis lemon loaves. My inspiration for these lemon loaves are the ones you get at Starbucks because I love them. I think they're so tasty. But today we are going to put our little spin on them and add cannabis. I am choosing to make miniature lemon loaves because I think they are so much cuter, but you can make one large loaf, whatever size you decide to go with. Take your tin and spray it really well with nonstick cooking spray. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, combine your flour, baking powder, and salt, and whisk it together and set it aside. In a larger mixing bowl, beat together the sugar, melted cannabis butter and regular butter, and the Greek yogurt. Then add the eggs and the lemon zest. Finally, mix in the dry ingredients and divide the batter equally into your prepared loaf pan. Bake until the top is golden brown and the inside is cooked through. For the miniature loaf pan, that is going to take about 35 minutes, and for one large loaf, about 50 minutes. While those are in the oven, let's make our lemon glaze. Just combine your powdered sugar and lemon juice until it is smooth. You can really easily adapt this glaze for the consistency that you want. I like to drizzle my lemon glaze on the hot lemon loaves and let it soak in and absorb. But you can also add more powdered sugar to your glaze to make it more like an icing. Then wait for your lemon loaves to cool completely and drizzle it on top. Here is our finished lemon loaf. I have already cut it in half. Today I am dosing mine as one dosage is 1/2 of a miniature loaf. They're nice and moist from that lemony syrup that just soaked in while they were cooling, and they just smell so fresh. The lemon flavor on these is just so light, and you can really taste the creaminess of the Greek yogurt. It keeps these mini loaves so moist. This recipe is delicious. I hope you liked this episode of Life Above the Clouds. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up and share it with all of your friends. And if you want to send over a cup of sugar or a bag of flour, go check out my new Patreon page. I would really appreciate your support. Thanks again for watching. Bye guys.